What's the best label maker? Well, I think it's the one you have. At least that's my opinion, and you may have a different one. But which one do I have comes up quite a bit because I label everything from my keys to my cables and, well, everything around my lab or even in production environments. Now, this is not a high-end commercial by any means type of label maker, but I really like it. I bought it in 2022 and I've been using it ever since. And I've been shocked that a label maker that I paid less than $30 for is still working 3 years later, just like the day I bought it. Matter of fact, because it's a thermal printer, you don't have to worry about ink. You don't have to worry about anything drying out. You do have these little thermal labels. Downside, of course, with thermal labels, I will completely agree with you on, is if you choose these and they get too hot, well, they get too hot and then they turn black. But let's talk about this label maker. It is a Niimbot D10. They now make a D11. They actually make quite a few of these now. This is, I believe, is the first model that was released. They've held up over the years, and we've bought several of them to kind of keep around the office because they're convenient. They attach to your phone via Bluetooth, hence the reason there's no keyboard on here. They recharge over USB, so it's got a little power in there. This little magnet end, I will leave a link to. I love putting these on things because I hate, well, this is micro USB. The new models are USB-C, which is easier, but it's even easier just to hang a little magnet and connect these. Back to the label maker though, you just open it up and drop in the labels. It has a little NFC tag in it that will tell the box what label type is in here. And then when you open the app, you simply choose that, type, confirm that's what's in there, and let it print. The app is not incredibly bad. It's somewhere in between. I'd say it's relatively intuitive to use, but it does have a lot of buttons. It's a little bit fidgety, but it's not hard once you spend a few minutes and figure out where those buttons are to get your labels printed. And speaking of label types, the labels themselves are really cheap and they have a variety of them, from clear labels to standard labels to, of course, cable labels. And cable labels are kind of what probably brought a lot of you here because I label a lot of my cabling, and this has been the box to do it. I don't really have anything bad to say about these. Overall, I'd say this is a good purchase for how inexpensive it is and how simple it is to use overall. So if you're looking for a good label maker, I recommend the Niimbot. This is something I bought myself, not endorsed by them in case anyone's wondering. I do have an Amazon affiliate link down below if you're looking to buy it. As of the recording of this, it's on sale, but it goes on sale all the time. So if you see it at normal price, just wait a little while. And same thing with the labels. They go on sale all the time too, frequently for half off. And get yourself a deal on these. Thanks. Lawrence Systems thanks our sponsors for their support.